Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Danish cake. First, gather all your ingredients, including 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/2 cup of unsalted butter. Make sure your yeast is fresh and active. You'll need 2 1/4 teaspoons. Having everything measured and ready before you start will make the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Begin by activating your yeast in 1/2 cup of warm milk, around 105 degrees Fahrenheit, with a pinch of sugar. Let it sit for about 5 minutes until it becomes foamy. In a separate bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients. Then, slowly incorporate the activated yeast mixture and 1 large egg into the dry ingredients, mixing until a soft, pliable dough forms. Turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface and knead it for 8 to 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. This develops the gluten, which is crucial for the cake's texture. Place the kneaded dough in a lightly greased bowl, cover it with plastic wrap, and let it rise in a warm place until it has doubled in size, which usually takes about 1.5 hours. Once risen, gently punch down the dough, roll it out, add your favorite filling, and shape your Danish cake. Bake it in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes, or until golden brown. While it cools, prepare a simple glaze with powdered sugar and a splash of milk. Drizzle it over the warm cake for a perfect finish. Don't forget to check the description for the Darn Tough Socks link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.